Okay, now let's proceed to tricks on multiplying 3-digit numbers. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung video natin about tricks on multiplying 2-digit numbers, you can watch that po muna and then balikan na lang dito kapag tapos mo nang panoorin yun. Okay, so how do we multiply 3-digit numbers in an easiest way? Or ano ba yung tricks kung paano mag-multiply sa madaling paraan? So, for example, we have 300 times 247. So, first things that we have to do is to multiply the third term. So, multiply po natin to. So, 0 times 7 is still 0. So, lagay natin dito 0 and then cross-multiply po. 0 times 7 is 0. And then 0 times 4 is 0. Then, add po natin. Ang magiging sagot is 0 plus 0 is still 0. So, lagay natin 0. And then, cross-multiply naman po natin ito. So, 3 times 7 is 21, and then 0 times 2 is 0, and then this one naman po, 0 times 4 is 0. So, i-add lang po natin yon. 21 plus 0 is still 21. So, lagyan natin dito 1, and then take note the 2. Then, next naman ay ito naman po. 3 times 4 is 12, and then 0 times 2 is 0. So, 12 plus 0 is still 12. So, you have remainder. So, 12 plus 2 is 14. So, lagay natin dito 4 and then take note the 1 kasi yun yung magiging remainder natin. And then, lastly, we're going to multiply this po. 3 times 2 is 6. And then, you have remainder na 1. So, magiging anong sagot po? 7. So, lagay natin dito 7. So, the answer is 74,100. So, you can check po sa inyong calculator if tama po ba yung nakuha nating sagot. So, let's have another example. For example, ay 123 times 321. So, first things that we need to do is to multiply this po, the third term, or third number. So, 3 times 1 is 3. So, lagay po natin dito 3. And then cross multiplication po. 2 times 1 is 2 and then 3 times 2 is 6. So add lang natin. 6 plus 2 is 8. So lagyan natin dito 8. And then this one naman, cross multiply again. So 1 times 1 is 1. And then 3 times 3 is 9. And then this one naman po, 2 times 2 is 4. So add lang natin lahat. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 4 is 14. So, lagyan natin dito 4, and then take note the 1, kasi yun yung magiging remainder natin. And then this part naman po, cross multiplication again. So, 1 times 2 is 2, and then 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So, plus 1 is 9. May remainder kasi tayo, kaya naging 9. So, lagyan natin dito 9. And then this part naman po, 1 times 3 is 3. So, lagyan natin 3. So, the answer is 39,483. So, you can check sa calculator nyo if tama ba yung nakuha natin. 123 times 321 is equal to 39,483. So, tama naman po. So, let's have example number 3. For example, ay 789 times 987. So, first things that we need to do is to multiply this one po. 9 times 7 is 63. So, lagyan natin dito yung 3. And then, take note the 6 kasi yun yung magiging remainder natin. And then, cross multiplication po. So, 8 times 7 is 56. And then, 9 times 8 is 72. So, add lang po natin yun. 56 plus 72 is 128. And then, you have remainder na 6. So, add lang natin plus 6 is 134. So, lagyan natin dito yung 4. And then, take note the 13. Next is ito naman po. So, 7 times 7 is 49. And then, 9 times 9 is 81. And then, 8 times 8 is 64. So, add lang natin lahat yon. 49 plus 81 plus 64 is 194, and then you have remainder na 13, add lang din natin, plus 13 is 207. So, lagyan natin dito 7, And then take note the 20. And then this one naman po, so 7 times 8 is 56, and then 8 times 9 is 72. So add lang natin yon, 56 plus 72 is 128. And then you have remainder na 20. So add natin plus 20 is 148. So lagay natin dito yung 8. And then take note the 14. And then lastly, ito naman po, 7 times 9 is 63. So add lang natin sa remainder. 63 plus 14 is 77. So lagay natin dito 77. So ang sagot po is 778,743. So you can check po sa calculator nyo kung tama po ba yung sagot natin. 789 times 987 is equal to 778,743. So tama naman po. Okay, so that's how we do the tricks on multiplying 3-digit numbers.